Now the question number 14. Find the dimensional formula of electrical permittivity epsilon and magnetic permeability mu. Here the solution is, if we talk about the formula R square, here we find out this value. So epsilon is equal to Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi R square F. The values we all having the values about charges, and R is distance, F is force. So and 1 by 4 pi is constant, so this is dimensionless. So the value of epsilon is equal to, the dimension value of epsilon is equal to Q into Q upon R square into F. Q into Q, we have already find this value, A into T. The value of charge is equal to A into T. Here R square gives the length, we measure in this form in length, and the value of force is equal to MLT minus 2. After solving this equation, we find out the value M minus 1, L minus 3, and T 2 and 2 4, and next one is A square. This is the dimension formula of electrical permittivity, that is equal to epsilon. The second thing is the magnetic field inside. Talk about the magnetic permeability, then the solution is B is equal to mu n I upon L, where mu is magnetic permeability and B is magnetic field, n is number of turns of solenoid, and L is the length of solenoid, and I is carrying current, the solenoid having carrying current, that is I. So here we find out if about mu, then mu is equal to B cross L upon I, because number of turns it gives number, so it is constant or dimensionless. So there's the n value is dimensionless. Here the mu is equal to this. We find out the values M L naught T minus 2 A minus 1. L is length, it represents the length, and where I is equal to A. I is measured in ampere. So complete value is M L T minus 2 A minus 2. This is the formula, dimensional formula for the magnetic permeability. Thank you.